Hi guys, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of July 20th through the 26th. Crazy, we're so far into July already. But I'm using this kit from Planner Problem. It's called Pink Lemonade. I just printed out the first page. It's a several page kit, but this has the things that I most need, so I just printed this page. It has these super cute full boxes, and then a ton of boxes and flags, so super helpful. I cut that one kind of terribly, but it's fine. I also put some washi. These two are from, this one's from Michael's, this one's from Scotch. This is from AliExpress. And then I have these few from Amazon. And the skinny one is also from Amazon. And then I have these two skinny ones from Dollar Tree. So my plan is to use these three as headers. I'm gonna have to, I'm trying to decide if I just want to put them like one after the other. Can't tell if they're like enough different to be worth it. They're really close, so maybe I'll just use these two and just do like yellow, pink, pink, and then yellow again at the bottom. So I have these, and then my plan is that I will use this for the bottom washi. I know it introduces this turquoise color, but I think it's going to be all right once I start planning stuff. I will add some bits of that as we go. It's a little short, so I kind of need something above it. Maybe I'll use this like little yellow stripe. There, I think that looks cute. Alright, so I'm going to do those things. Slice tool, ruler. Alright, I'm going to do all that stuff, speed you through all of it because it's really boring, and then I'll be back to do the fun bit. Alright, as you can see, I had to fight with my washi a little bit. Hopefully you can see most of that. Might have moved it a little too close to me sometimes. But anyway, here's my base laid out. So now we can put down the full boxes. I think my plan is to run them right through the middle. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I feel like these three kind of go together. And those three go together. Maybe those four. So I guess I can put either a pink or a yellow up here. And I think I want a pink one. Maybe I'll do this one. For those of you that use recollections, how do you decide how to line this up? I keep lining it up along this edge, but maybe I should line it up on the other edge. I don't know. Alright, so next I'm going to put some white background ones. Here on Monday. I guess this one on Sunday. Then I will do the pink ones. I think I'm going to put it this way. I'm not sure what the right answer is. I'm not sure it really matters, to be honest, but I spent a lot of time thinking about it. Who else spends far too long contemplating the placement of their full boxes? Alright, I'm going to stick this one on this page. I tore this one a little, but I think once I place it down, it won't really be that noticeable. There we go. And this one here. And then this one in the middle. start on the sidebar. So I don't have like a lot of stuff that needs to go in the sidebar. I am gonna pull out this American Crafts book because it has a lot of these colors in it. So I feel like that'll be nice to kind of pull some stuff in. I think I'm actually gonna pull in this marbled, I think. Or do I want to pull in one of these checklists? I don't know. I never actually do anything with like the get it done stuff. So maybe I'll pull this guy in. Alright, so for the sidebar, do I want to put a wide washi at the top? No, it's too crazy. Alright, I'm going to pop this like super pink polka dot washi right here. Hopefully you guys can't hear my bunny in the background. He's being so annoying right now. I'm not going to put in a habit tracker this week because honestly I'm just not feeling it. Let me check. I don't have my leftovers candy, so I don't have like a thing for a header. Maybe here. Could choose like the one that says Happy Life. That could be fun. I don't think any of these headers. Don't forget, note to self, meeting appointment. Not very helpful for food headers, huh? Oh, I can do one of these. I'm gonna do this yellow this week. That seems very appropriate, right? I need my tweezers. I have a mug that sits next to me with all my stuff in it. And I cannot find the tweezers that I like. So we're going to use these. They kind of go with this week's kit though, so that seems fun. Alright, this week we can mostly read that. I'm going to lay this down. That is not at all straight. Close enough. We're just going to leave it. It'll be fine. And then I'm going to pop in these little bubbles just because I think they're fun. There we go. And then I'm going to find in here I like this Love Today one. That one's too wide. These are only 6, so can't use those for. Take a love, follow your dreams. I'm just trying to look for something that's like cheerful and will also fit in here really well. There's like the Seize the Day. That should be kind of cute. Our mistakes don't define you. Sure, I'll do this little like Seize the Day one. There we go. Then I want to stick some more of this bubble washi in. Because it's just really cute. Alright, that'll have my meals in it. There we go. Okay, now on to the daily plans. So I'm going to use half boxes to mark in work because, let's be honest, that's taking up most of my life right now. So I think I'll use these top 4 and then maybe another lemongrass. So really there's nothing interesting going on this week, as we've seen with most of the weeks lately, to be honest. There's just not that much going on. We're mostly just staying home, trying to stay safe, as I'm sure everyone else is. Alright, there we go. And I want to just stick like a little something in to mark it as work. I guess we can choose these. So these are from Cavern Studio. Her shop is closed. Not sure the status of her digital shop. But I really like her stickers. I'm just not spending very much money right now, so I can't really, even if she has digital stickers, I also don't have a silhouette or a cricket. So that makes it a little more difficult. I wish her shop just didn't close. But such is life. Alright, so there we go. That marks in work every day. Then also on Monday, I need to mark in filming. I guess I could use maybe like a flag for them. What if I use this giant? That seems fun. Alright. Stick in this giant flag. Like so. And then I have these filming icons. Just dropping everything today. I'm gonna use this light gray. These are from Piper Paper Company. So that is that, and then down here at the bottom, I need another box. I'll use this one. I need to mark in it's my grandpa's birthday and my aunt's birthday, opposite sides of the family, but I need to like message them about their birthday. Tuesdays, nothing is going on. Wednesday, nothing is going on, as you can imagine. Thursday, nothing's going on. Friday, I think I want, there's these things here. Maybe I'll use this star guide. So I need to mark on Friday. It's my Nana's birthday, so I need to message her. There we go. Alright, and then nothing happening over the weekend. So this is what it kind of looks like pre-planning wise. For this down the side, I use these Mean Show pens, and I just write in the days of the week so that I know where I'm standing. This is the pen I use for basically all my glossy stuff, so use it for this too. It does take a little bit to dry, but it will dry eventually before I close it. Everything else is going to be with this iHow 0.38, just like I've been doing. I'm going to fill all that other stuff in, and then I'll be right back. Alright, there is all filled in with the pre-planning stuff I know. If you stick around for just a second, you can see the finished spread. Alright, here's my finished spread. I love how it turned out. It is so cute and colorful and bright. Summery, perfect for this time of year. I used up basically everything. I have one flag left, so that was a really good use of this kit. I'll go through everything I used. If I don't mention it, then it came from the kit. This washi tape came from Amazon. This week's from American Craft. So is this and this. This washi tape's from AliExpress. This one's Scotch. This one's Amazon. These are all from Cavern Studio. The headers are from washi tape from Dollar Tree. This is from Piper Paper Co. This is from Cavern Studio, Amazon. Wonton in a Million, Wonton in a Million. Both of those at Michael's. This comes from my Recollections planner from a previous year. Another Cavern Studio. This is from Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. This is a Happy Planner book. Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner, Amazon, American Crafts, Happy Planner, Dollar Tree, Wonton in a Million, Cavern Studio, that Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. I think that's everything. As always, like and subscribe below. Let me know about the rest of your summer kits. What are you using for August? I'm trying to transition during August into the start of fall, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I just really appreciate you liking and subscribing. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. And until next time, bye!